Hey guys, this is Jaren, and I wanted to show you a really cool minigame library that I created recently for team deathmatch style minigames, where essentially the goal is to kill the other team. All right, so what the library does for you is it handles the join logic, so it allows players to join a game. It tracks player kills and then also announces a winner and resets the whole game engine's state so people can join repeatedly. All right, so I've implemented the library in the form of this mini game, Archers versus Swordsmen. So it's just a really basic one just for the demo. And as you could probably guess from the title, one team is the team of archers, the other team is the team swordsmen. So one team gets a bow and arrow, the other team gets a diamond sword. Okay, so I'll go ahead and demo this now. So if we run this mod, then you'll see that these custom commands get added, and it's sort of hard to read. I should probably redo some of the code so that some of this text can be colored text, but they're just commands that help you set the spawn points. All right, so currently it looks like the arena is just spawned, and you might recognize this arena. It's the archery treetop arena that I created a little while back. All right, so the first prerogative is to set the swords spawn locations. Okay, so if I type in p swords spawns, just like it says right here with the p command in front of it, which just means point. That's what I guess I was just shortening the word point. All right, so if we click that or hit enter for that, we can set one of the sword spawns locations or swordsman spawn locations. Okay, so punch a block, and then this glowstone marks the spawn point for whatever spawn point you're setting at the moment. All right, so we'll go ahead and do it again. Why don't we make this a spawn point too? You can make this a spawn point. You can spawn on that bush. That's good. All right, so once you're done, let's just say we have those 3 spawn points. Type in finished, and then as you notice, the glowstone disappears, and those are now going to be the sword spawn locations. All right, so now let's go ahead and set the archer spawns. So just like the sword spawns, except for the name of the spawn locations is a little bit different. All right, and why don't we make the archer spawn on this roof right here, or on this tree. There we go. That's perfect. And we'll do another one at this location. Oh, nope, I don't want that. So here, I've actually made a command for that situation because I accidentally broke this block right here when I didn't want to. So we can do reset, and it'll reset the spawn points so I can start again. All right, so why don't we do one right there, and we'll just do 2 for the archers. That should be fine. Okay, so once we're done with that, type in finished archer spawns. Good, and you can see these other commands have now been added. These are more for admin, for debugging, and also for force starting a given game. But anyways, don't worry about that for now. All we're going to do is just demo this. So let's go ahead and do join SVA, and why don't we join on the team, let's be archers. Let's join team archers. Cool, so as you can see, the console output says you're trying to join the game on the team archers, and then it finds the team and allows you to join it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my sort of dummy account, and it's just so that I can test this out, because as you write more and more complex mods, you have to find these creative ways of testing them sometimes, and I wasn't feeling that creative, so I'm like, all right, I'm just going to log into 2 different computers and test this thing out. Okay, so we'll go ahead and join SVA on my dummy account, and as you can see, ThoughtStem8 was the dummy account. So once it's all set, then it spawns the players, gives them their starting equipment. So I've got a bow and arrow since I'm on the team archers, And it also puts on their team skull. So since I'm on the team archers, I have this log for my skull, which is pretty cool. I thought that was fitting for archers. All right, so where is this little sword guy? He's not going to be doing anything, obviously, because he's a dummy account. Oh, there he is. So I'll hit him. Let's go into first person. Boom. One more hit. Yeah, so I took him out, and then, as you can see, the fireworks, sort of like survival games. Cool. So, now let's go ahead and respawn ThoughtStem 8. There we go. So he spawned, and you can see this sort of funny console output. I was just outputting this just as a sort of test. So, anyhow, he should be respawned somewhere around here. Ah, there he is. So he spawned in a different spawn location, but in the same set that I defined right as I was adminning it. Good. Okay, so the way that I made this game is I set the game winning score to be 3. So I should only need one more kill, and then the game will declare my team, the team archers, as the winner. All right, one more hit. This guy's just filled with arrows. Nice. All right, and since I was the winning team, it also gave me fireworks. Pretty cool, right? So it announced the winning team and everything. So there you have it. It's a little mini game to help you make Team Slayer type games where you can pass in a schematic as your map, set a bunch of spawn points, define some starting equipment and everything, and have some fun with your friends on the LearnToMod servers. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any comments or anything, you can comment on the program profile for this minigame on the LearnToMod site. All right, thanks again for watching, guys. Bye-bye.